All right, thank you for tuning in. My name is Sean Dye. I'm the president of Allied Tax Advisory Group. And the reason I wanted to make this video is I wanted to show my clients how to make their first voucher payment for tax year 2025 California pass-through entity tax. The due date for that is June 15th. I know there's extensions due to the wildfires that we had in Southern California, but again, I highly recommend everyone to make the payment make the payment that is due by June 15th to avoid any confusions or errors, because this is a timely election, and one of the requirements is to make the timely payment by June 15th, and I don't want any confusions with California Franchise Tax Board. If you're watching this video, it means you already have your voucher uploaded in the client portal under Canopy, and basically the next step is go ahead and make the payment. So what you want to do is make your way over to the California website, which is ftb.ca.gov. Once you're there, you go ahead and click the make a payment up here. I always recommend using a bank account, and what you want to do is, this is a business tax, so what you want to do is click on use web pay business. Notice here the choices are corporation, LLC, or partnership. In most situations, you just want to make sure you're electing the right one. So I'm just going to go ahead and demonstrate the corporate one. All the other two follow the same pattern. So to make it easy, we're going to go ahead and choose corporation for this demonstration. You put your entity ID, you click login, and just make sure it's your company with your tax ID. Obviously, what you want to do is make sure you put your first and last name, and you just click next. 99.9% of the time, you want to click on the top one, which is going to be your Form 100, 100S. If you have an LLC, it's going to be a different 568. If you have a partnership, it's going to be 565. But generally, what you want to do is make sure you click on the top one. Once you click continue, this is the important step that you want to make sure you follow and click on the right one. Notice we want to click on the last one, which is the pass-through entity elective tax, Form 3893. You hit continue, and most of, if not all of our clients are going to fall into the same fiscal calendar year, which is January 1st, 2025 through December 31st, 2025. The amount payment, or the payment amount you want to put, is going to be the same as you see on the voucher. So whatever that amount is, you just go ahead and put it there. And then payment date, just make sure you put the right payment date. Obviously, keep in mind to make sure you make the payment before June 15th. Once you put the payment date, you hit continue. Here, what you want to do is follow your routing account number, re-enter any other information, checking or savings, click continue. It's going to ask for a few more pieces of information, including your email address. Once you make that payment, it's done. Just go ahead and make sure you save a copy of the confirmation as a PDF, and the next step is to upload that to Canopy, so that way us and our staff know that these vouchers were paid in a timely manner, so there's no further confusion down the line. We hope this video is helpful. As always, if you have any questions or concerns or need further assistance, please feel free to schedule an appointment with us, and we'll be more than glad to help you. Thank you so much.